Good evening, good morning, wherever you are, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Today is the 16th day of July 2022, and welcome to the live stream. And we've not been here for a while. Sorry, my live stream was set to private, and I did not know that it was set to private. Guess what? We are here. So if you can hear me, you're welcome. And let's do this. Oh my goodness. It's again set to private. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Guys, something is wrong with my thing. My live streams are going into private. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Today being the 16th day of July 2022. Sorry that my live stream was kept going into private settings. I don't know why. But now I think I'm public. If you can hear me, if you can see me, just type on the chat box and say, I can hear you. That way I can move on. I'm doubting whether anybody can see me or hear me because I can't find myself on YouTube. So if you can hear me, if you can see me, please type on the chat box. Just say, hey, I can hear you. And that way we can move on. Oh, there you go. Now I can find myself on YouTube. That was a long wait. Well, I think now we're public and you can be able to see me. I can be able to see myself. And I will go through let me push my camera a little bit higher than me. There you go. So we shall review lesson number 12, which was everyday Luo lessons. See the way I spell lessons, guys, and nobody corrected me. Everyday Luo lessons. Everyday Luo lessons. Dholuo mapile. Be in kod sendi ma oromo. Be in kod sendi ma oromo. That's how you translate this. Chakruok. Lauren. Itimo ang'o kawuono. Lauren. Itimo ang'o kawuono. Adhi nyiepo. Adhi nyiepo. Some people say nyiepo. Iwuok dhi nyiepo sa adi. iwuok dhi ng'iepo saa adi? Adhi wuok ka dhi romo saa 10 odhiambo. Adhi wuok ka dhi romo saa 10 odhiambo. Be ibiro nyiewona makati ma oriw kod ring'o? Be ibiro nyiewona makati ma oriw kod ring'o? Onge wach. Onge wach. Be in kod sendi ma oromo? Be in kod sendi ma oromo? Ok an kod adiera. Ok an kod adiera. In kod pesa adi? In kod pesa adi? Siling 25. Be iparo ni mano oromo? Siling 25. Be iparo ni mano oromo? Mano ok ng'eny ahinya. Mano ok ng'eny ahinya. Aparo ni onge rach nikech an kod kadiga mek bengi. Aparo ni onge rach nikech an kod kadiga mag bengi. We amedi siling 10. We amedi siling 10. Erokamano. Wanenore bang'e. Erokamano. Wanenore bang'e. All right. Oriti. Giko. So that is one of the reviews. I was deliberately slow so that you can get the tonation. Let me do one more and then we can call it a day. How have you been? Irio nade. Chakruok. Nang'o wendi? Ber, Sara. Nang'o wendi? Ber, Sara. Irio nade? Ok maber ahinya. Irio nade? Ok maber ahinya. Nang'o? Atuo. Nang'o? Atuo. Mos kuom tuo. Ok en tuo malich ahinya. Mos kuom tuo. Ok en tuo malich ahinya. Mano ber. Jaodi dhi nade? Odhi maber. Mano ber. Jaodi dhi nade? Odhi maber. Be en Kenya sani? Be en Kenya sani? Ooyo, ok ochopo Kenya. Ooyo, ok ochopo Kenya. En kanye? En kanye? Gin Tanzania kod nyithindwa. Gin Tanzania kod nyithindwa. Oh, aneno. Oh, aneno. Adwa wuok sani. Mosna jaodi. Oh, aneno. Adwa wuok sani. Mosna jaodi. Awinji. Abiro loso kodi bang'e. Awinji. Abiro loso kodi bang'e. Ageno ni ibiro winjo maber. Ageno ni ibiro winjo maber. Erokamano. And that's it. So those are the 2 review lessons I wanted to do today. I hope that this was helpful to you. And if it was, please remember to share the video with your friends so that many more people can benefit from these uploads. You have a great day and see you tomorrow.